Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about React JS. So in this session we are going to discuss what are all the softwares needed in order to develop the React JS application. We are going to discuss what is React and why we are in need of React, and what are all the software and how can we initialize the React and how can we start a React. So as a step-by-step process, we will move towards how to develop an application using React. Welcome to the session. What is React JS? For the first question, we are having the answer as React JS is a JavaScript library, so which is developed for creating the user interfaces and to make the development of UI components in an easy and modular manner. So React.js was created by Jordan Wall as software engineer at Facebook, and it is an open source to the world given by Facebook and Instagram. So the next question is why we move for React.js. So let us consider an example. So the moment when you click the like in some post, the status of like will change. Right? Before I like the post, the page may look like this. Okay. After I like the post, it becomes you and something. Okay. Some others liked the post. The Facebook application has to do the above change. In order to do the above change, we are in need of updating the DOM tree of the page, and also we have to re-render the page in a browser, so that we have to take care about this change on other users page also when they open the same page or same post. Considering the application size of the page, Facebook, it may have 1.6 billion daily users and 500,000 likes every minute. This was a challenge to the engineers of Facebook. So they solved this problem by creating the React.js library, which optimizes DOM manipulation by writing a very simple code. Facebook used React.js for implementing few of its features like comment box, like button, and so on. Let us have the difference between React and Angular. Okay, Angular is a framework where React is a small view library. It's not a framework. Angular provides the complete solution for front-end development. React covers only the rendering and event handling part in the front-end development. The presentation code in HTML is embedded with JavaScript expression in Angular, whereas the presentation code in JavaScript is powered by JSX in React. Angular, as it is a framework, it contains a lot of code which results in longer loading time. React core size is smaller than Angular, so it will be built fast. It has less flexibility and it is very flexible. That is, the React is very flexible when compared to Angular. Angular uses actual DOM, which affects its performance, but the React uses virtual DOM, which result in better performance. Now let us get into the next part, that is, what are all the software that need to be installed in our system in order to develop a React.js application. Okay, so for that we are in need of Node. After that we are in need of software VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code, and Postman. Okay, these three software need to be installed in our system. You can Google it, okay, and you can find the source and you can install these three softwares in your system in order to develop the application using React.js. Okay, let us discuss how to create a React application. Okay, after the installation of the softwares like Node.js, Visual Studio Code, and Postman. Okay, so we have to get into command prompt, right? So which is in the path, the command prompt opens in the path C code and user admin. You can move towards any path, that's your own base. Okay, so let us create the application. For that, npx space create hyphen react hyphen app space, let us create our own folder. I am going to create it as my first app. Let us name. Okay, so it's creating. It will take some time. It will install the necessary packages. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, it is loading. The necessary packages are installed successfully. Okay, so it installs React DOM, React script. Okay, so the dependencies which are all needed, everything will be installed. Okay, so after that we have to move towards the folder which we are created. The suggestion is given here. Yes, cd my first app. We have to go to our folder where we install the React.js packages. Okay, cd my first app. Okay. After that we have to go towards npm start. These are suggestions given here. Let us get into those suggestions. It's starting. So under the hood, the Babel Webpack. Okay. Yes, we have successfully started our React.js application. It is loaded, that is the npm start loads the basic application in localhost 3000 port. Okay, so by this let us wind up this session, and we will move towards the components and what are all the components and how to create our own application. Okay, those things we will discuss in future, okay, in further future classes. Thank you.